This is Tomsaviation, and we're going to experience iFLY over there. So let's go. We have arrived at iFLY. Let's go see what it's all about. So tell me a little bit more about the check-in process.
So our tunnel is about 14 feet in diameter. It goes up about 50 feet all the way. First time here, we're going to be teaching the body position.
Now I'm ready to jump into my jumpsuit. Got my hair braided.
Big smile at the camera. So this right here is our driver's booth. This is where we're actually controlling the wind speed. We're also going to be controlling the camera. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Huh?
So how'd it feel?
It felt awesome. I came to iFLY. It was great.
Nice. All right, Marlene, you did it. Your very own flight certificate. Woo, yay. Awesome job. Awesome job.
Thank you.
Okay, awesome. So here's your helmet. Choosing the professional look. Chin up. Here we go. Awesome. Let me get this side right in.
Wink at the camera. There you go. Awesome. There we go. There we go. All right.
You remember all the hand signals? Why don't you talk it to them?
Okay, this something that.
These are your legs. So bend your legs. What is this one?
Straighten them out.
Good job. What about this one right here?
Chin up.
Good job. This one?
Cool.
Relax, relax. Loosey goosey, loosey goosey. What does this mean?
Have fun.
Good job. Alrighty. We had a lot of fun.
Excuse the.
Oop, you want to step back? There we go. Alright, so just go ahead and have a seat.
Huh?
So how'd it feel?
It felt awesome. I came to iFLY. It was great.
Nice. So that little last bit I was showing just on my belly is the progression, kind of the things I was talking about earlier, getting stable, turning around, forward and backwards, up and down, that sort of stuff. As you can all see, it's just a little simple movement as well. And that last bit, that's just me showing off.
You're a pro. You're
Thanks.
a pro.
Wear the helmet. Awesome.
Tomsaviation would like to thank iFLY for letting us host and fly in the tunnel. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. My pleasure. Awesome flying.
Thank you.
Yeah! All right.
Don't forget to come and share, like our videos, and come out to Naperville location with iFLY. Finish. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos.